Lesson 8.3, review packets 8a. Solve the equation 40 times x squared minus 131x plus 105. So let's use quadratic formula. So we have so a equals 40, b equals negative 131, c equals 105. And plug the number in, so we have negative b, which is negative 131, plus or minus square root of b squared, which is negative 131 to the second power, plus or minus, not really, minus 4 times a, which is 40, times c, which is 105. And this is going to be a quite calculation. Now we have 2 times 40. So we have 131 plus or minus square root of 17,161 minus 4 times 40 times 105 is 16,800 divided by 80, which is 131 plus or minus 17,161 minus 16,800 is 361 over 80, which is 131 plus or minus 361 is 19 squared, so it's 19 over 80. So we have 131 plus 19 over 80, or 131 minus 19 over 80. So 131 plus 19 is 150, divided by 80 is 150 divided by 80 is 15 over 8. And also we have 131 minus 19, that's 112. 112 divided by 80 is, you can divide both number by 8. You can divide both number by 8, right? Yeah, so it's 14 over 10, which is 7 over 5. So those are the two things. So 15 over 8 and 7 over 5. Factor over z, part B. Factor over z. Is there any way to do that? There is, actually. So if x equals 15 over 8, if you do kind of backwards, you multiply both sides by 8, so you have 8x equals 15, and then subtract 15 from both sides, so we have 8x minus 15 equals 0. That's going to be the left, so this is b, right? Okay, that's going to be the left parentheses, and the right side of parentheses I want you to derive from x equals 7 over 5. And yeah. Number 6, which of the following quadratic equation has 4 minus square root of 3 and 4 plus square root of 3 as solution? So you have x equals 4 minus square root of 3. That means that the left side of parentheses, if you do the factored form, left side you should have x minus 4 minus square root of 3, right? Because this minus this is 0. So for this one, what do you have here? After that, expand it, and then you should get these answers, one of these answers somewhere. Okay? Number 7, explain how to use the quadratic formula to factor quadratic polynomials over z. Alright, so how you do that? Write that down. And that's it.